Hi everybody, this is Jacob from qoliber, and I'm about to show you Professional Service Listing open source module for Magento open source or Mage-OS, but the module was developed straightly for Magento Association needs. So without further ado, let me show you how the module works. Just before I do, the module will be available on Friday around noon, and it will be available fully open source. So let me just show you how this will work. So we start with registration. Can create your professional service listing profile when you create an account, and in this case Magento Association Hub. So let's just create account for me. Important information, everything that you see here is fully configurable in the admin panel. So if there should be a different account types, it's easy to add them simply in Magento admin panel. I did some testing just a moment ago, so let me create another account .com. So let's just create it, and let's just go to the My Account dashboard. So as you can see, in the account information, I can change my listing. I can also disable it from the professional service listing profile, so my data is not visible to the public. I can change it to freelancer or solution provider or any account type that Magento Association will decide that is valid. So let's just jump to professional listing profile. Let's just fill the data. I'll just put some random image here. Let's go with the Huva Developers Paradise logo. This profile allows me to set the geo coordinates for my address. This will be later on used when we are using search based on the distance from my current location. Short description doesn't allow HTML tags, and all HTML tag from short description will be stripped when the profile is saved. So let's just put long description, and then we can decide what sort of social profiles I want to have visible on my professional service listing page. So let's just put not a real profile, but let's just put facebook.com/qoliber. Let's just put LinkedIn. We can also specify how many certificates our agency has. I've also included by default Magento 1 certificates. So let's just put some numbers here. And we can also select what sort of service our agency or me as a freelancer I do. So this is the default preset that I've created. So let's just select some random data. Now, if there will be a long list of the services, we can also search from them using the search box, and then we can save the profile. You save the profile just by scrolling down and clicking the save button. And when I click the save, my profile is being updated. I have a logo, in this case from Huva Developers Paradise. I have all the data stored. As you can see, everything is saved. So yeah, that's how it works on the front end. So let's just look how it works on the back end level by looking at the admin panel. So let's just go to the configuration. The section to manage the module is around customers membership settings. So yeah, obviously you can disable or enable the module. Here you create the different account types, which will be available for filtering. Here you can see the partner's details, so you can also edit what sort of social media profiles should be available, what sort of certifications there are, and what sort of services are offered. So everything that you see here is fully configurable, and all this data is also visible on the customer panel and the customer dashboard. So when I access my profile, let's just scroll over here to edit section. I click PSL profile. I see, as an admin, I see all the details. And when I scroll down, I can either reject this profile or approve. So this is done one time only, and when I save my profile, I should get a notification that when I first save the profile for the first time, Magento admin panel user gets a notification that the profile has been saved. And if the profile is approved, the user will get a notification that the profile has been approved, or the profile can be rejected. And then this is when Magento admin, or in this case Magento Association, will contact the agency or a freelancer to fill the necessary information. So if we go to the mail pit, because I'm working on a Word environment, you'll see that this is a simple email that we only get notification with the email address, so the admin can easily find that partner to approve their profile. Now, in the admin panel, like I mentioned, you can reject or approve the profile. With the approval, the notification will be sent, and with the rejection, also a notification will be sent with some additional explanation that the admin user will have to fill in when clicking the reject. Now, this profile listing will be available with the REST API by default, just using regular search criteria as any Magento REST API. But there will be a small update, and I hope to finish it by Friday, so fingers crossed, that all this data will be pushed to NoSQL database, so it will be easier and fast to search. Now, I hope you enjoyed this demo. As you can see, the module is fully dynamic, so anything that we wish to add, we wish to modify on this level can be done without any problem. You can add or remove any certifications, social media links, services offered, edit descriptions, or the short description as well. But this is just the initial phase. There are a lot of plans for this module, but I cannot reveal you now. The module will be fully available open source under qoliber namespace on GitHub, and hopefully will be pushed to Magento Association Hub once the code is approved and merged with a pull request. So I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward for your ideas and your contributions, how we can even extend the company profiles beyond what you just saw. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a great day or great night, depends when you watch this. Thanks, and bye.